Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix audio services not responding error windows. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Audio Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Open Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Open Plug and Play, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone, turn on Microphone Access, turn on Let Apps Access your microphone. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, /add space, network service. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, /add space, local service. Fourth method is type sysdm.cpl in Windows search bar, click sysdm.cpl. Click Hardware, click Device Installation Settings, click No, click Save Changes. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Devs, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.